You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this ointment or ointment, if you want to learn ointment, if you want to learn how to pronounce more confusing vocabulary. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Tacrolimus, Tacrolimus Ointment. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Tacrolimus Ointment. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.